How can threads affect the finish of a curtain?
Thread is very important for us. Skill will be number 1 and thread will be number 2. A lot of people think threads are all the same. They'll just buy the cheapest one they can find. If I didn't know anything about threads, I'll choose the cheapest one as well. That's the normal thing to do. So for us, using the right thread is the most important part of the curtain manufacturing process because it can affect the factory's efficiency and how the curtain hangs both in the short term and the long term. We all know they come in different colors and different thicknesses. Everyone knows that, right? They're also made from different materials like polyester, nylon, rayon, or natural materials like linen, cotton, wool, silk, or even a combination of these materials. There's also threads with a gloss or shine finish, matte finish, metallics, glow in the dark threads, flame retardant threads, water soluble threads, don't lick those, they melt in your mouth, and fusible threads. I'll give you an example. The fusible thread is like glue, yeah? It melts when it's ironed and is used to replace pins. Now, usually you use pins to hold the fabric in place while you sew. These threads all got their own uses. Some are for indoor and some are for outdoor. They're all different in how elastic they are, strength, stability, thread twist, color fastness, moisture absorption, mold resistance, and most important of all, the quality of the threads needs to be consistent. For curtains, it's especially important to match the fabric you're sewing to the right type of thread. You need to find the perfect balance between elasticity, strength, stability, and thread twist. Sewing machines we use run very quick, yeah? Now, when there's no longer any tension on the thread, we need the thread to recover to its original length. If you notice your stitching is okay at slow speed but loose at full speed, meaning it'll either look like the thread is too loose or they have little loops where it looks like the thread hasn't been pulled all the way through. On the other hand, if the thread recovers too much, it'll pull on the fabric, causing the fabric to pucker. So each time we change a fabric, we need to have a matching thread, and then change the machine speed and thread tension to match the thread. And all of this can only come from experience. It's not something you can learn in a book. If there's something else you want to know about curtains, leave it in the comments. If the question's asked heaps of times, I'll make a video to answer it. See ya, bye.